This is the best part of Pringles for me. Mm. Oh, hi there, hi guys, welcome. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Mary from Sharon. Yes, I know you guys missed me, and I missed you all too. And I know it's been a long time I did something like this. It's been a long time I sat on this chair, sat behind this table. Can't even remember the last time I did this. I've been so preoccupied doing a lot of other stuff, trying to make my content more versatile and diverse, just offering you guys variety. So how are you guys? And hope you're good. I'm gonna be doing something that I've always wanted to do. My body has been itching me to do it, and I just have to. Of course, Pringles. Pringles. How many of you like Pringles? I like Pringles. It's one of my favorite snack, like to-go snack. I like eating Pringles when I'm probably just watching a movie. It makes me feel like I'm in the cinema and just Netflix and chilling. I like eating Pringles when I'm traveling in the car. Actually, it just keeps me, keeps my mouth busy. The crunchiness of it is just on point. So I'm gonna be trying something that I don't know how many of you have seen it though, but it's going to be different flavors of Pringles we have in Nigeria. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so now that you guys saw that array of Pringles, I'm gonna be trying one of the most popular one, Pringles Original. This is like the most common flavor of Pringles in Nigeria that we know, and I'm gonna be snacking on this to test which flavor is the best. Okay, so guys, I also have like a dipping sauce. Like, I don't want to be biased. I want to really give a sincere, honest opinion on which Pringles is the best. So yeah, here is a dipping sauce made with Bama ketchup, mayonnaise actually, but actually use the Bama brand, the mayonnaise, and this is ketchup and just black pepper. So yeah, and this is what you get. And I like this. It has a sour taste to it. That's why I often use it for snacking sometimes. And we're gonna try this and let's see. For those of you who don't know how to eat this, you just dip it in and it goes. It's so creamy. Really good. Okay, so guys, I'm trying the second flavor, paprika, Pringles paprika. Let's just try. Let's do some dipping.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oops. So yes, this is my nephew. I've been meaning to introduce you guys to him so far. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
Say, how are you doing, friends?
How are you doing, friends?
Would you like to join me in?
Yes, babe.
Sure.
Yes,
Bring the chair aside. So I was trying out Pringles. Do you like Pringles?
yes, babe.
Which one is your favorite? The red one. So I remember you told me you liked the red one. This is his favorite. This is my nephew's favorite, and I know actually because he really likes this thing. Take as much as you want. Take 3, okay? Because you're going to taste other ones and you're going to tell me which one you like best. You hear?
Yes, babe.
Alright. And by the way, he calls me babe because, well, I'm the only girl in my family. If you've been watching my videos from the onset, I remember saying that I'm the only girl in the midst of 5 guys. And so everybody calls me baby, babe, and my nieces and nephew have grown to start calling me the same name. And I like it. I don't want to change it. Show them your Pringles. What are you eating? Pringles. Babe, try this one.
No?
Try this one. Baby, not put this one. Babe, put it inside. Put it inside. You have like 4 more Pringles to taste together. Are you ready?
Yes, babe.
Chop knuckle. Oh, that was painful. Wow. This one is called Pringles sour cream onion. Babe, are you ready to test it?
Yes, babe.
Wow. Okay. Can you open it?
Yes,
I
babe.
open it. See. Was it painful? It's my tongue, and I just opened it on the stretch. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. No. Do you like this one?
Yes.
Did you really like it very well?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like it more than the other ones?
No, no.
Told you. He may not really be able to, you know, communicate how he really feels because he's still quite young. I think he's 6 years old. So, but personally, we both feel, because I know what he's trying to say is that it's a little sour, like it says. It's not really so tasty. You want to taste the next one?
The next one is color blue.
Oh, babe, how did you know it's gonna get the color blue? Because you like the color blue. He likes color blue, and that's his favorite color. So, this is salt and vinegar Pringles. Salt and vinegar
Baby,
flavor. Yes.
is it salted down Pringles?
Yes, it's Pringles. Alright. Okay, wait for me now.
I'm not eating it.
You're eating it fast. Ah, you didn't give me big one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, cheers. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. You like it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not bad. It's nice.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Well, so we're doing this for the fans. Say you love the fans. Say I love you, my fans.
I love you, my fans.
I love you, baby's fans.
I love you, baby's fans.
Yeah. Say keep watching Mirami Funaya.
Keep watching if it's free.
Okay, say keep watching this YouTube channel.
Keep watching this little channel.
Don't go anywhere.
The grandma.
Wow, why did you shout? You like this one? Guys, when I saw this in the store, I was like, I need to get this one. It's actually the BBQ sauce.
Is this Pringles sauce?
Yes, it's Pringles, but it's a different type of Pringles. BBQ sauce. Yeah, chop my curry with the Pringles. Oh, wow. That was massive. This guy is actually a very violent person. And you know what he says? Nobody should cross my path, otherwise I'll tear them into pieces. Alright. Now, he's really enjoying himself. Hey! No.
Oh, baby, be too much.
Yes, I want to put some more. I like this. How does it taste?
That's nice.
This one is packed with a lot of flavor. It's very flavorful, flavorsome. It has a lot of flavor. Almost like it's roasted. My bad. Sauce is a lot. I don't enjoy it, but not a bad one. I like this one more. Very well. This one enter my eye. So it enter my eye.
Enter my eye.
You enter my eye.
Enter my eye.
Enter my eye very well.
Enter my eye, baby.
I
won!
Now for the last one, we have Pringles, cheese and onion. Babe, say cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion.
Okay, baby, ready to taste this one. This one is the last one.
Yes,
This is the 6th one. The what?
6th one.
Do you think it will taste nice? Let's find out.
This one.
I think there's so many onion flavor here.
No?
It's what we have in the market anyway. I'm gonna do better maybe checking around, but this is where the most popular flavors that I saw. These were the ones I saw actually in the store the day I went to purchase them. So yeah. Okay, have you divided it?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Maybe you did do like this. You forgot, maybe.
Oh, I feel like throwing up. This one is supposed to actually be the real onion flavor because this is cheese and onion, and the one I tasted before was onion and something, but this actually should have been the real onion flavor. Yes, there.
Forgot to freeze it.
Okay. I'm showing the camera. He thinks the camera is up. It's here, babe. It's here. Now, guys, we're gonna play a game. Bye-bye. We're gonna guess the flavor of each Pringles. But before we do that, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share as it helps the channel grow. Welcome back. Alright, so guys, we are going to play a game. Guess the flavor. When we were eating, we were just telling you this is what we thought, this is what we thought, and everything. You know, just critiquing each flavor. But this time around, babe, are you ready? You're going to guess which flavor. But mostly me because it's my channel and he really doesn't know. Babies are dumb. Alright guys, let's test myself. So how do I start? Okay, babe, pick anyone randomly. 1, 2, 3, go. You choose this one. Alright, so we're going to guess the flavor name of this one. You want it?
This one.
You want it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is the original flavor. I think this is the original flavor. Maybe.
Maybe that's sorry. You're not preparing.
You want to eat? Yeah, this one is I don't know the full name. Paprika. Yeah, paprika. I'll stick with that. That one.
That one has salt on it.
That's salt on it.
And even.
This guy's giving me an expo. He's giving me an expo. I remember when we were eating, I was like, it tastes like olive oil. Thank you. I don't die. It has salt on it. Salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar. I've tasted this one. This one. Babe, are you sure this one has salt on it? Are you very sure?
No.
Was it when I said it tasted like olive oil? Shit. Okay. Now I know there were 2 onion flavors, but I swear I don't know which one is the flavor right now. Let me just drink. This one tastes like, at the ending I didn't like that flavor. I said it tasted cheese, onion, cheese. Cheese, onion, cheese. Oh, chick. Texas BBQ sauce. Texas BBQ sauce. This is what I think it is. Texas BBQ sauce. Yeah. The last one. Now guys, I remember I told you there were 2 onion flavors. I knew this one I chose was the onion cheese. That's what I think. Hi, but what's in the other one? Onion something flavor. Onion sour cream flavor. What is it? No, why not the end? Onion sour cream flavor. Okay, so this I said that's the original flavor. This has to be the cheese onion flavor. This has to be the salt and vinegar flavor. This has to be the paprika flavor. This has to be the Texas and BBQ flavor, and this would have to be the sour cream onion flavor. Time to see if my answers are correct. Okay, I remember saying this was the original. Yes, I got it. Cheese onion. I got it as well. Salt and vinegar. Oh shit, I got it. I was most confused between these two. Paprika, Texas barbecue, and sour cream onion. And absolutely my favorite so far, the original flavor. There's nothing that beats this. This is the best. Then after this one, I think I like the Texas BBQ sauce. It has a little bit of smoky, like there's this thing about it. I can't explain it. It tastes like something that was grilled, sort of. This is good. And after this one, I like the paprika. Not because I overlike it though, but yeah. But then these other three, the sour cream onion, the onion with cheese onion, and this one, they all fell flat for me. They all taste similar, like they're bland. Not really a favorite. The vinegar here would have been nice for me with the salt in it, but because of the vinegar flavor, it just fell flat for me. And onion, I mean, onion flavor is not really something, so you know, if there's really no spice to it. So basically, I cancel these three. I'm not gonna buy them again. But top ranking, you get the original, you got Texas BBQ, and then you got paprika. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, and of course comment on which of these flavors is your best flavor, or if there are other Pringles flavor that you know, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Drop a comment, I want to know. It's good to have you guys back. It's your girl, Mary Fanaya. Stay tuned for more content.